The mechanic is here today.
How are you?
Very good. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. I'm Greek, you know that?
Yeah, that's
You're
right.
Greek. We're Greeks, we're hospitable.
Absolutely.
And we like to hug.
We do. We do.
I'm a hugger. I'm a hugger.
I think that's a perfect.
I gotta be careful who I hug though.
Yeah.
That's my son, Peter. Oh, you met Peter.
Yeah. Hi, Peter.
Nula was
How you
gonna
doing?
come, but
Yeah.
she's making garadopita today and a whole bunch.
Oh, we just got back from Tarpon Springs too.
We need to get you guys to the house or something before you leave.
Yeah, we will. Absolutely.
Yeah.
That'll be wonderful.
Yep.
And what are we doing first this morning?
Well, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out some of this bad engine oil and transmission fluid.
This boat's been sitting for a long time on old oil, so probably about 5-6 years at least. So
It's an old Yanmar engine.
yeah.
All right, let's get this down here. Start pulling out this old engine oil. All that nasty oil coming out. Okay. It won't go anywhere down. Okay, pull it out. That's it, that's enough.
Pull it out?
Yeah. It's sucked up as much as it's gonna get.
Yeah, but...
And hold it upwards. That's it. Here, give it to me.
Okay.
There we go. Oh yeah, that's a
Tight fit.
that is a big difference, man. As far as the rubber goes.
Look how tight that is.
So most boats of this age, they leak. Rainwater comes in, and all these, everything is bolted on, leaks. So we've got this magic solution called 4000, and let's pull out all these holes, all these screws, and seal them up and put them back in.
Bit of a dilemma in the head, more convenience than anything else. Let's take a look. Come on in. There's no one in here. So that's my shower, and it's connected up. Everything's working. I need a place for my soap, my shampoo. This is not working. Not working at all. Fortunately, I have a solution. And here is the solution. Apparently going for a walk last night, found this in the trash. It's a caddy, shower caddy, compression fitting. This will work really well after I cut the aluminum bars, permanently mount the bar to the wall, and these will be able to slide on their track. The solution is in hand.
They optimized my bottlenecks, removed redundant pointer checks. The database's subselects are indexed to a T. They shaved the microseconds down till there was nothing left to count. I instantaneously found the answer in a breeze.
Okay, let's see if it fits. Oh, baby, that's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Custom fit. Purple Gallinule came with an onboard entertainment system that wasn't working very well. It was a very old cassette AM/FM stereo from a car. So I figured, well, this guy has a lot of cool cassette tapes, but I also want to be able to play my CDs as well. So how do we manage that? Well, I went ahead and found on eBay a car stereo, cassette, CD, out of a 2003 Chrysler Town & Country. $10. Okay, sure. I had to purchase a wiring harness to go with it. I'll show you what that is in a minute. And got this thing installed. So here it is here. That's the car stereo. And it also needed a harness, wiring harness. So I got in here, got that thing wired up. I have the power here, and all of these wires needed to be connected on the positive side for in-dash illumination and positive connections, and then these are unused at the moment, but the speakers are all set up. I found online a handy guide to show what each color wire was for after searching the vast world of internet via Lord Google. So let's finish cooking this up, and we'll see if it works. Here we go. And we'll hook this one up to the positive. Aha! We have power. Okay. Let's see if she works.